Do you have anything planned for the long weekend?
Yes, we're performing in Cats the Musical at the theatre. We're travelling Europe with the company of the musical, and we've just come from Lugano, and we're just here in Trieste for the weekend.
In reality, not yet. We are just deciding if go tomorrow in Ljubljana or anyhow somewhere around. And for sure we are going to visit the castle of Miramare and the city.
I think it will be just a chill weekend, walking in the city center. Maybe on Sunday we'll do a little trip to Venice or to Miramare Castle, and on Monday I will be studying, so that's my plan.
Long weekend.
Well, in reality, we haven't already thought how to do, but maybe going to the mountains. We have a lot of snow in these days, so maybe it might be a good option.
So today we're staying in Trieste, and tomorrow we're heading to Austria. We're going to Carinthia. We're going to the Christmas market in Klagenfurt. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to go to Bad Kleidkirchen, where there's like a thermal spa. And then on Monday, which is national holiday in Trieste and in Italy, we're coming back to Trieste, and we're going to look at the Christmas markets. And then we have to head back to the UK where we live. So this is our long weekend plan.